It's spectacular trim, end of the day, Friday. Wanted to share something that I just got from FastCap. It's called a FlushMount drill bit system. Comes with a little mandrel that drills, I think mandrel's the right word. Anyway, it's countersink unit. It goes on a drill, and what it does is you set the proper depth that you want, and it drills perfectly flush holes so that you can use power head screws and cover them with a FastCap cover. So this is ideal for cabinet guys that are installing cabinetry and they want to hide those holes where their screws are. What I like about it is the fact that unlike a regular countersink, which once it hits, comes in contact with the wood, it just continues to spin and it just leaves this burn mark in your material if you're not careful. So there's actually a ball bearing in this unit. So this part spins, and when your drilling bottoms out, your drill can continue to spin, but it does not just burn up your material. What I also like is the fact that there's this thumb screw. You can loosen it, and the adjustment is threaded. So to use it, all you do is chuck it up in your drill, bottom it out. You'll see that it stops spinning. Drive a power head screw in, and use a FastCap cap, which has double-sided tape, and stick it right on top of the screw.